After Operation Sindoor, Pakistan rattled. Heavy fighting at LOC, Indian Army strikes back hard. After the thunderous success of Operation Sindoor, Pakistan is visibly shaken and desperate. In a classic display of frustration, Pakistani troops resorted to unprovoked firing across the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir. But the Indian Army, ready and vigilant, hit back with fierce retaliation, sending a clear message: any misadventure will be met with overwhelming force. Cross-border firing at Kupwara, Pakistan's desperation peaks. On the night of May 7th and 8th, Pakistani Army Post opened fire without provocation across Kupwara, Baramulla, Uri and Akhnoor sector using small arms and artillery. Indian forces anticipating such a move responded with precision strikes, silencing multiple enemy positions. The Indian Army's stance is crystal clear. Provocations will not be tolerated, only crushed. Operation Sindoor, a devastating strike inside terror territory. Operation Sindoor was not just a retaliation, it was a statement. Following the brutal terrorist attack in Pahalgam, the Indian Armed Forces launched a massive overnight missile and drone offensive on May 6, targeting terror camps deep inside Pakistan and POK. Major targets obliterated. Murid ke Lashkar-e-Taiba's Markaz Tayyaba reduced to rubble. Bahawalpur, Jaish-e-Mohammed's main headquarters wiped out. Sialkot, Hizbul Mujahideen's Mehmoona Zoya faculty destroyed. Barnala, Lashkar's base at Markaz Ahle-Hadith flattened. Muzaffarabad, terror training camp at Sawai Nala neutralized. Masood Azhar's shocking admission. In a rare and revealing move, Jaish-e-Mohammed's chief Masood Azhar admitted that India's missile strikes at Bahawalpur killed 10 members of his own family along with 4 top aides. Indian officials confirmed all 9 designated targets were successfully eliminated. India tightens its grip, central control room in action. With security in Jammu and Kashmir now under maximum alert, a central control room has been established to monitor every movement along the borders. Every suspicious activity will need swift and decisive action. Terror dreams crushed, Pakistan faces the heat. Pakistan's crumbling terror network is now facing direct fire. Shelling at the border is a desperate cry from a nation cornered by India's surgical precision. Operation Sindoor has demonstrated one thing beyond doubt: India will not just defend, it will destroy the roots of terror at the source. The battlefield has changed. The message is loud and clear: disturb peace and face the wrath of a new India.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.